brother, punta tayo dito sa Queen and 2004. Ang mga kabaklaan po. Ang mga bading po ito.
Special attention to Santa Lucia Department Store. Madrid.
Marami po tao.
Santa Lucia Residences Hotel and Hospital. LB Canada Skincare. Jambi Collections. Kulinek Authentic Time Search. SH Boom Skincare. Hair Asia. And Access Trading. Transplants and Ryway Philippines. So speaking of transplants right now, I would like to inform everyone that we are also live on Transplants. Kaya naman po sa mga Facebook viewers, hope that you are enjoying this Coronation Day of the 2024 Queen of the East. And to present our first award, I am talking about our Miss Congeniality. So of course, as always, the Miss Congeniality is the friendliest among the candidates. And for many days and weeks and months, magkakasama sila. Talaga namang they have formed a special bond of friendship with each other. So of course, the award, our Miss Congeniality, we would like to invite on stage Mr. Marino Bacani together with Miss Luisa Tolentino. And I would like to inform you, ladies and gentlemen, that our Miss Congeniality will receive a sash certificate from Panasonic Comfort Fit headphones and 2,000 pesos worth of cash and gift certificates from Santa Lucia Mall. Alright, so I would like to ask you guys, who do you think is our Miss Congeniality? Ayan, baka pwede itaas yung mga numbers, no? Again, all of them will receive, or the winner for the Miss Congeniality will receive fabulous prizes. And right now, I would like to announce our Miss Congeniality, and the winner of our first award is no other than, I would like to say congratulations to our Miss Congeniality Queen, number 22, Miss Greta Estudanan. Again, our congratulations to candidate number 22, Miss Greta Estudanan, our Miss Congeniality.